it's me, Dee, and thank you for joining me today. My background's looking a little different. I am reorganizing and decorating. I've even reorganized all my makeup, and you can see a bunch of my tarot cards and oracle cards are now organized, nice and neat and easy to access. I'm really having fun just getting things redone up. And today I get to do one of my favorite unboxings, Goddess Provisions. I really have enjoyed all of everyone that I've gotten from this one. I don't know what's in here. I'm excited to find out with you. So let's get going. I open up the box. This is the first thing I see. Let me see if I can find a card in here that will tell me what's going on. What? I'm finding all sorts of weird things, but I'm not finding a card. No. Oh, here it is. They stick it down at the bottom underneath everything. That's, yeah. All right, so here it is. That is so cool. I love the artwork here. Now, let's start. Now I have the card. It's going to tell me what's going on here. And the first thing I pull out, gosh, what is this? Decorate your wall with the lunar phases to honor the power and beauty of your divine feminine. That looks really, uh-oh, I hope it's not broken. We will find out in just a moment. I'm trying to see how much is this, or if I could find it on here. Oh, it is $33. Wow, I wonder what it is, what this is like. Oh my. This is really gorgeous. Uh-oh. It is absolutely, I don't know, I can't hold the whole thing up in this video to give you just how great. It's the phases of the moon. And I love this. It's pretty heavy and sturdy. I'll have to find a good way to secure this, but this is phenomenal. I really appreciate this. I definitely want to hang this up somewhere, and maybe on my bedroom wall. That is gorgeous. So that's the first thing I got here. What else? Let's see here. May the movement of the moon stir your soul. So I'll open this up in here, and I think I know what this is. It is a spoon, a moon spoon. Moon spoon! Sorry, I'm just such a dork sometimes. This is the crescent moon teaspoons. Use this teaspoon to stir in a little extra magic when making teas, elixirs, and herbal potions. It's made of copper-coated food-grade stainless steel, and it's safe to use for hot beverages. Hand wash only, $11 value. It's gorgeous. You know, I do make my own little oils and potions, and I was going to see if I had it right back there, but I didn't. But this will be really special to use for any kind of rituals, and also if you wanted to make a nice cup of tea. That, so far, two really nice things that I think, this box is worth so far. I'm like, I've definitely got my money's worth. I think this box is normally $33, something like, or $35, something like that. I'll put that up here. So far, I've already gotten my money's worth. Let's see what else we've got. There's this. It's a box. Okay, I need something. Let's see what else here. What? I can tell it's in the shape of a moon. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at this. This is ethically made in India. Oh my gosh. This, stunning. This gem was handcrafted by Indian artisans using sustainably harvested mango wood and recycled metal. As your incense burns, connect with the mutable fire energy of the Sagittarius moon to feel at ease with change. Best if used with 4-inch sticks that have a wooden core. Oh, I have a bunch of those. This is normally $30, and you can put the stick. There's a tiny hole in there. This is gorgeous. I'll definitely be using this. This is the kind of stuff I really appreciate in a box, because I love all the little tchotchkes and tools. Oh, this, I think, they're celestial ribbons. I think this is for hair. Yes, these cosmic hair ties remind you to delight in the eternal light of the night sky. The presence of orbiting celestial bodies is always there and especially visible during the dark moon. This is an $8 value. There are 4 ties here. And I guess, you know, if I had my wife can use these, but see, for me, my hair, I don't have much hair. That's kind of cute, right? Yeah, don't you think? I might as well leave it in. Why not? And let's see what else we got here. Okay. Moon Manifesting ebook. Oh, that's not this. Oh, this is Club Magic Hour Ruby Moon Tea. Become immersed in ritual with every sip of the heart. Healthy immunity tea. Envision your heart and cells being filled with protective light and glowing beams of ruby hued moon. I can talk. This is $11. Oh, wow. This will be really nice to make. Now, there's one other thing in here, and this, I'm excited. It's the Rainbow Moon Obelisk. Charge this stone into the moon's light and meditate with it to strengthen your connection to intuitive wisdom. This crystal is normally $10. Comes packaged like this. I'm trying to open this. We're gonna do this again here. Okay. There we go. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at that. Stunning, isn't it? So, this will be really nice addition, and I will be charging this. That is so cool. And, well, the other thing is they always provide something digitally, and this is a Moon Manifesting ebook. This time, access cosmic insights and journaling exercises that'll help you integrate your moon manifestations into your subconscious, where 95% of manifestation power lies. It gives you the link to download, and it's a $19 value. So, this thing, and then they give you just some ideas of things to do, and where you can go to find different, like a Refer a Goddess program, a monthly giveaway, talks about recycling, and every box sold, we plant a tree with our partner, trees.org. So that's good to know. Yep. So this is it. This is all about your moon and feminine energy right now, and embracing that feminine side. And I think, you know, this is kind of a cute box. I think I really, really like the moon wall hanging. I wish it was small. I had a smaller one like this to hang in a smaller space, but you know, this could go in the living room or so. I have so many different ideas right now, but I look forward to that. So, this is my Goddess Provisions box. I will put a link down below that you can use so that you can also subscribe if you are interested in a box like this. And so far, I recommend Goddess Provisions. I've been very grateful with everything that I've got and used everything. So that's been a huge plus. My hair is like, Anyway, everybody, thank you for joining me today. I will be putting up some more videos, more pick-a cards, and also I'll be talking about why I left the church. I grew up in the church. I was a pastor's kid. I was in the ministry myself, a worship leader, teacher, youth counselor, a Sunday school teacher, Sunday school director. I mean, I did so many things, and I left the church, and I'm going to be talking about that and talking about where my spirituality lies in an upcoming video. So please like this video, subscribe so you can see when I have the next videos coming up, and I'll see you next time here. Bye.